Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best budget cordless circular saws in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is SKIL 20V 6.5-inch cordless circular saw. SKIL is a fairly less popular brand on Amazon if you are looking for power tools. But as you would expect, it also makes cordless circular saw, and we have mentioned one such option in this article. The SKIL CR540602 comes with included batteries and charger with this cordless circular saw. And as you would expect, this is very portable. You can use this battery to power the 6.5-inch blade that spins at 4,500 RPM. This makes this circular saw a highly powerful option for cutting wood without paying a lot of money for it. You also get the option to adjust the bevel cutting angle of this circular saw. It allows you to change the bevel adjustment angle to anything of your choice up to 50 degrees. As a result, you can easily cut wood blocks for making joints. Number 2. Our second best pick is DEWALT 20V Max 7.25-inch circular saw. DEWALT is one of the most popular power tools brands out there. It is known for making high-performance products while having a justified price. And that is also the case with the DEWALT DCS 570B mentioned in this article. The DEWALT DCS 570B is present in the second position in this article as it is a 20V cordless circular saw with a 7.25-inch blade. And this blade rotates at 5,200 RPM, which is more than enough for most users. And as you would expect, it offers excellent performance while cutting wood as it is one of the most powerful options out there. You also get a bevel angle adjustment with this circular saw. It can be adjusted up to 57 degrees. As you would expect, this option is quite useful for cutting corners and edges of the wood piece that you are working on. It offers a long battery life, which can be used to make 100 cross cuts in a 2x4 pine wood block. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ryobi 1P50518V lithium-ion cordless circular saw. Unlike various other power tool brands out there, Ryobi is a much more affordable option. And the Ryobi 1P505 is one of the most affordable options if you want a cordless circular saw. This cordless circular saw from Ryobi is in the third position in this article as it is one of the most affordable options out there. Despite its budget price tag, the Ryobi 1P505 has a 4,700 RPM blade with a blade depth of 5.5 inch. As a result, it is one of the most potent compact cordless circular saws available out there. It also offers a bevel angle adjustment of up to 50 degrees so that you can cut wood at multiple different angles. To make this compact circular saw easy to use, it comes with an extra handle on the side for easily cutting wood. As for power, you can use Ryobi 18 batteries with this cordless circular saw. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Porter Cable 20V Max 6.5-inch cordless circular saw. Porter Cable is another highly rated power tools brand available on Amazon. And most of the options offered by this brand including the Porter Cable PCC 660B provide a great value for money. You get a 6.5-inch blade in this cordless circular saw that spins at 4,000 RPM. And this is quite decent when you consider the size of this blade and the justified price tag of this saw. It even features the ability to adjust the bevel angle without any issues. You can change the bevel angle adjustment up to 50 degrees as per your requirements. This saw uses a blade with carbide teeth for extra durability. You can cut all kinds of wood blocks without worrying about damaging the saw or its blade. It uses a 20V battery system for powering this cordless circular saw if you wish to use it as a portable option. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is BLACK+DECKER 20V Max 5.5-inch Cordless Circular Saw. BLACK+DECKER is one of the most popular brands if you are buying power tools from Amazon. It offers high-quality products that are reliable and powerful without paying a lot of money for them. This cordless circular saw is one of the smallest options available on Amazon. It comes with a 5.5-inch blade with a decent spinning speed. As a result, you can cut through most wooden blocks with any issues. The compact and small size of this circular saw makes it a great option for portable usage. You can simply use the standard 20V BLACK+DECKER batteries with this circular saw. It also offers a highly useful bevel angle adjustment option to its users. This can be used to adjust the cutting angle up to 45 degrees without any hassles. And despite its compact and small size, this saw is quite ergonomic and easy to use. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.